Today, we are making Rice Krispies that my Gigi sent me. Let's go. We got our ingredients: 2 butters, marshmallows, colored eggs, icing, last but not least, the Rice Krispies. We are gonna add 2 tubs of butter, yay, into this pan. I'm gonna add those 2 tubs of butter into this pan. We are still on step 2 of making the Rice Krispie treats, but I believe it's gonna be delicious. Look what we've achieved so far. Smell that goodness. Coat your hands with cooking spray or butter to mix with the marshmallows, as I am doing right now. To coat this bunny thing with all this butter. Or cooking spray. We're mixing them up with our hands. Not yours, but mine. Oh, it feels so good and mushy. So right now, we are just taking 1/3 and putting it in to this bunny. Then we will mold it into the bunny shape. And as we are molding it, we are gonna put it on this foil, and then we will get to taste it. Well, not you, but me. I will get to taste it, not you. Maybe you, but maybe not. We are just trying to smooth it out and even it. So we put this Rice Krispie. Now that it's even, our bunny shape is complete. Oh, yum. This tastes so good. I can't wait to try it when it's a bunny. Oh my gosh, look, it's a bunny. Isn't that adorable? We have to do this 2 more times, then we will decorate. Decoration. See you next time on Cooking with JJ and Lucky.
Hey JJ, can I make a Barbie bun?
No! You cannot!